Assalamu alaikum, my lovely people. Welcome back to Khayam TV. Sorry, damn, I really need a haircut, and I look like a little girl. Today we're actually making crispy chicken. Crispy chicken. We are making the crispy chicken. Just because of you guys, because you guys are so loving and caring, I will make the next thing all by myself. So the next food that I make, I'm gonna make it all by myself, no help, and we're gonna test that. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, not just I'm gonna take a bite and see what's missing, what's not. It's not gonna be like, oh yeah, it's really good just because I made it. No, it's gonna be serious. Tune in for that. Just wait for that because it's coming. Alright guys, all done. Made the crispy chicken. And right now it's time to test it out. Don't mind me because I brought the whole thing with me. I mean, take the big one first. I didn't want to eat it with like any sauce because I want to taste everything in it. I'll eat it later with sauce, but because... Alright, someone was banging on the door and I opened up and this person as big as your head. Say hi to everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. It reminds me of KFC, the one I ate in Pakistan, because I don't eat KFC here. I try to avoid like all the foods and stuff, except like fish. Keeping it halal. But it really reminds me of KFC. It's good. It's really good. Get like 1 or 2, maybe 3. Just kidding. I'm not that fat. I wish I was. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and comment down below. Thank you so much. You guys are lovely. Thank you so much. Khayam TV out. You guys are awesome. Stay awesome. You know what it's time for? It's time for chai.